Are we starting?
Today, we're gonna be doing the sliding door in Rumba with a 5-step turn on both sides. Wow, 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 wow.
That's right, and we're doing this because the sliding door is a super classic step, and you gotta know how to turn, man.
And here's what we're gonna be learning. And the footwork. We're gonna go back on the right leg, rock step, replace the left, cross the right foot. Has no weight, syncopate onto the right and step side left. Then you're gonna replace that weight back onto the right foot, back on your left. Let's do it again. Back on the right foot. Replace the left, cross the right foot. Now we're gonna go side left, 5-step turn. So it's gonna be and right, left, right. And time to switch.
Okay, now the other side, stepping back on the left. Back onto the right, and then left leg comes forward, no weight. You get onto the left foot, kukurasha to the right, back to the left, and a back on the right. Repeat, back on the left, replace to the right, and a press line, left and forward. And go to the side on the right, get ready for your turn, and left, right, left. There you go, we're ready to start from the top. Okay, let's see your timing. We start 4, 1, back, 2, 3, 4, 1, and 2, 3, back, 4, 1, again, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, and 3, and a 4, 1, other side, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, again, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, and 3, and a 4.
Woo!
Let's go!
Let's do this!
When you can shake your hips like Tytus. Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, good.
Rumba rocks. So enjoy practicing that. Just do it over and over again. Copy the energy. Get the energy in your body. Get the dancing in your body. Touchdown! If you're in the mood to, subscribe. And if you're not in the mood to, definitely subscribe.
Leave a comment if you're subscribing.
Leave us a comment because it really helps us have more views. So that's why we should do that.
Yeah.
I'm LiWen. This is Tytus. Bye.
I'm the better looking one. Okay, bye.
That's true, actually. She's better.